everybody, my name is NeesterHere. Welcome back to Incredibox. So today I am here with the Green and Mean by the main man Llama Brown. Now if you don't know what this is a cheeky little mini mod that kind of does what Cool as Ice does and kind of does what just a bunch of different mods lately have been doing, which is combining different art styles and different vibes, and just to make it all look totally tits, it looks like this. Look how sick this looks, bro. So this is a brand new mini mod that has just kind of like a little like horror spooky vibe to it, and I am down as hell to check this shit out because it is popular. Let me take a sip of my suspicious black liquid. I love tar. Let's go! Woo! The whole thing shakes, dude. That looks awesome. My God, man. You know what? Would I be a dickhead already off the gate if I'm saying that this may be one of the best looking mods of all time? Like, I know that it only has like 10 characters and shit, so you technically can't really call it the best mod of all time, but the best looking of all time? Already, bro, my jimmies are tickled. God dang, man. It's the meanest boy you ever heard in the East, is it not? Oh. Dude, even look at the little thingies, man. It just looks so good. Ooh. Why does homie's face just deteriorate sometimes? That's not pleasant. Oh, baby, how you doing? Oh, baby, how you screwing? Oh. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4 shots. All I hear is gunshots. This is where the fun stops. You know what sounds like a blast? We haven't done this in very, very long because, you know, order and whatnot. I kind of don't even want to go in order. I just kind of just want to pick a sound and just see what happens because there's only 10 dudes here to work with. So let's create some fucking mayhem today, lads. We're going to do you. Fuck it. Why not? Let's go. It's the little man. It's the little skeleton head. Hey. Spooky, scary skeletons. Bro, this shit's fire as hell. It's only a matter of time before my computer bursts into flames. Oh, I think it is. Oh my God, I think it genuinely is. This could be bad. This could be bad. The room is filling with smoke. This could be bad. Let's try the door. Oh! Baby girl! What the fuck does it say on her shirt? How you been? Oh, I love her so much. Oh, I love this. I love this kind of like subgenre of horror where it's not actually scary, but it is like spooky, if that makes sense. Ooh, kind of gives you a little chill to the bone. Lads, I need to tell you something extremely off topic, but I genuinely just shit myself. Behind the scenes, just in real life, I've been very upset because I lost my sunglasses. They're in here. I searched my whole car top to bottom. I couldn't find my sunglasses anywhere. They're just sitting next to my monitor, and I just now found them on camera. I'm gonna wear them for the rest of the video. Hang on, where was baby girl at? Oh! I love that design. Dude, the designs in this are so fucking well done. I love it. So how many of these are actual references and how many of these are just fun little dudes? That's what I don't know. Because I know that one's Ban coming up. I know that one for a fact. That's obviously the Joker. But like just this little ghosty boy. This little slimy man. Gooigi looking ass. What's the story there? I wonder what he's from. Don't like. Suck it. Oh, wait a second. I just noticed something. I'm a dumbass, bro. There's 10 bitches here. We can literally fill the whole roster with the entire lineup. Ooh. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna make it great. Okay, lads. Okay, baby. Oh, you're fucked. Hello, Mr. Sir. I got so lucky. Bro, this guy sounds like dog shit without Sans. Him and Sans were made to work together. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my days. Oh. Come on, lads. We're making that heat. Oh, look at this guy. That looks sick. What? Hey. What? Okay. Damn. Let's go. Fuck, I missed. I missed the juice. All right, come on, lads. Oh my god, you're huge.
Now I'm the bully, and I'll find you spitefully, but for now you're not alive.
You sound like Black Griffin.
Alive. I was killed unrightfully, and now I am
I don't know why that tickled me so much. Seeing him do the fucking Club Penguin dance while he's saying I was killed unrightfully. I'm innocent. I was set up. Just imagining somebody doing that fucking dance. I don't know why. Oh no, this guy's sweet. Hang on, put him back. I want to see him on his own again.
I'm still alive. I was killed unrightfully, and now I'll end you sublime.
I'm a victim of an unrighteous law system. I was framed. Oh, I really hope that's funny as I think it is. It probably is not, but I just think that's so fucking funny. The timing of that dance move with that line is the dumbest shit ever, and I fucking love it. Okay, lads. Okay, baby. Okay, lads. Oh my god! I love this! Alright, come on, lads! Break it down like... Come on, baby! Alright, lads! Come on, baby! Hey, baby! Hey, break it down like... What? Alright, editing a boy! Come on, lads! Oh, if you ain't dancing, man, I don't know what the hell's wrong with you, bro. My God! Even the timer's going nutty! Let's go!
Now I'm the bully, and I'll find you finally, but for now you're not alive. I'm still alive. I was killed unrightfully, and now I'll end you sublime. Now I'm the bully, and I'll find you finally, but for now you're not alive.
Dude, this genuinely is one of the best mods I've ever seen before, man. It's just like, there's no flaws. Like, the only negative is just shit that, like, doesn't matter. Like, I do wish that it had more characters in it, but it just sounds and looks so fucking amazing to the point where it just doesn't matter. Has my face cam been upside down this entire time?
Stay up the board and reach up the stars.